I don't know what to do.
Do I look like a dead girl? Dead girl? Tell me if I look like a dead girl? You guys, from the movie last night.
You gotta look.
Ow, that hurt.
Pressure fucking absolutely.
Are you trying to smoke a cigarette down here?
No.
Okay.
Don't smoke a cigarette.
No shit, Sherlock.
Do I look like a dead girl?
I'm gonna get a picture of that and put that on Facebook. What if I
Do I look like a dead girl? Do I look like a dead girl?
Oh my god, John. I don't think I've ever seen you this strong.
Look at that! Do I look like a dead girl?
Lightning!
Do I look like the dead girl? Do I look like a dead girl?
Stay there. Wait, where's your camera?
Do I look like a dead girl?
I can't do this so
Do I look like a dead girl? Do I look like a dead girl? I'm gonna pee my pants.
I'm gonna
Do I look
sleep.
like a dead girl?
Do I look like a dead girl?
Do I look like a dead girl?
Do
I look like a dead girl?
Dog.
What?
It's not
That's a
a
dog.
No!
How's it kid?
I have phone. Get up, get up. We need life alert. We need life alert. We just need life alert.
I followed and I cannot get up.
I can hold it and I'm holding it.
Oh my god. There's something wrong with you.
I have to fall into the dead girl.
It literally was like when I said that, I was like, what am I saying?
Damn, your hair is so fucked up now.
I have fallen and I can't get up.
Down.
Can you cover your vagina?
Yeah, machine.
For what?
machine.
For what did you like cover your vagina?
I think I was just cross-eyed for a good 2 minutes. Am I good right now?
Cross-eyed,
right?
Shit.
How's my hair?
How's my hair? We need to go back to our guests.
I'm going out front first.
I need to find my feet. And my shoes.
Wait, we smoked all the weed?
Yeah.
Yo no sé, señorita. Señorita.
I have to pee.
Yeah,
I want Logan.
you okay with Joe?
I'm going to see Logan withdraw. It's not fun.
Hey, I am too.
And I had a moth in my drink. It just
Yeah.
ruined the whole night. I gotta go make another drink now and a new
You're
cup.
drunk. Are you drunk?
Yes.
Yes! Yes! Yay! You look Chinese!
Clara!
I'm Smack. Oh.
Lara, you need to drink more because I'm so drunk.
I know, I wish I was having a level real.
I
real.
have to go pee. We gotta get up.
Are you gonna be on the back or are you gonna come up front? You're gonna stay up first because if you're gonna fall, I gotta know to catch you. Careful, there's a corner there.
I've fallen and I can't get up.
Ooh. Oh my god, it's stuck to my ass cheek! Did you see that?
This is stuck to your butt.
Yeah. Good shit, yo.
That's great. Whose song is that? Yours. Wow. Look at the penis.
Isn't that fun?
Yeah, it looks like penis a little bit. It looks like it smelled good though.
My
Might put in the
camera's
back.
still set up to take pictures.
Okay.
Dude.
Was it on record?
Well, it's official. We are officially retarded.
Oh
We're
my
done.
god!
Press